Cookers Oil is more than just an oil supplier. It's an industry pioneer of eco-sustainability. At Cookers, we manage the entire life of our oil, from delivery to disposal. When we deliver your venue with the freshest oil Australia has to offer, we come back to collect your used oil too. The used oil gets returned to one of our depots where it's dewatered and refined. The cleaned oil then goes to a biodiesel manufacturer where it's turned into fuel, which means none of it ends up in our oceans. Thanks to our storage units, we don't use traditional tins to carry our oil, meaning every truckload of oil we deliver prevents 300 tins ending up in Australian landfill. But it's not just our trucks that are doing their bit. All Cookers sites harvest and reuse rainwater, and our wind turbine at the head office supplies 30% of our power needs. So when you choose to use Cookers Oil, you're not just doing good for your customers, you're doing good for the earth too. Choose sustainability. Choose Cookers.